So it says for which of the functions f plus g of 1 equals 3, select all that apply. Technically, a select all question is supposed to have more than 4 options. Did you guys know that? No.
The flaw in this textbook.
So
Oh,
I'm sorry, I didn't see you. Just put your pass on my desk. Okay, so there's two great methods of doing this. One method is to take the 1 and plug in for x, and then add them together. I'm not going to do that way because I don't think it's helpful for today's lesson. So what I'm going to do is add f and g, so it's combining like terms. I'm going to totally combine like terms, f and g. Then I'm going to plug in 1 for x and see which one the sum is 3. Yeah. So combining like terms in letter A, well, there's only one third degree term. There's only one x squared, there's only one x, and there's only one constant. So there's no like terms to combine. But I'll just put them all together. And then I'm going to plug in x equals 1. And that comes from right here. Instead of x, they have a 1. So it'll be 2 times 1 to the third plus 1 squared plus 1 plus 2. And after I plug in 1, I end up with a 6. So A does not have a sum of 3. It has a sum of 6. So it's not letter A. So I'll write on the screen.
Oh, I was confused. I was like, we get to do the next one again now. Yeah, no.
Oh, yeah. No, Adrian, look. What I right there in bright pink. What I write.
First combine like that was
Then
47. Let's go.
Then plug in x equals 1. First combine like terms, then plug in x equals 1.
Oh, which one where you first plug in like terms? Not combine, then plug in 1. I got this. Too easy. Alright, let's go. I got this.
Back in the game.
Okay.
I never watched.
Get you.
Get.
3x cubed plus x squared. Okay,
Chill.
That's too far. Just give me no games.
I got the answer, Miss Walker.
Nobody acts.
Nobody acts.
It's too easy. Like, what? Isn't this the same thing you just did? Alright, so. Oh, I forgot to put the 3. Oh. Oh, yes.
What is that?
Here.
Oh, so you're basically just solving. Which is not that hard.
guys, I'm back in the game. 1 to the third power is 1. So 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Let's go. Hey. I got 3. That's the answer. Oh, that's the answer, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's B. I did it wrong.
Wait, B?
I probably did it wrong.
Yeah, I can't see.
Girl. What'd you get for B? Where'd you get minus
1.
from?
It's a 3x to the third minus x minus 2x. So that's minus 1.
Oh wait, I got plus X. Weird.
Oh, wait. Yeah, it's plus. Okay.
So I got 3. I did 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So did I. Oh my god, I'm right. Literally, I'm right. Literally trying to mess me up. Literally. I used to be so good at Fortnite. Okay. But I played on my phone. I had aimbot. Oh my god.
I was the worst one.
It really was. I was pretty bad, but I don't care. I still played.
Exactly.
Oh. I was good on mobile, but not on my Switch. Hey guys, I have a Switch. So much fun. Why? Okay then, be quiet. Alright guys, let's go. Here's too easy for me.
Bro, don't be saying that, or else I'm not going to do
Negative 1 minus 3. Boy, be quiet. I got B, so. I'm still doing D. Nope. Wait, I thought you got C. I got 5. Yeah.
I got 3.
What'd you get for C? Okay, because I literally got 5. I probably got it wrong. I got 5.
Wait, what?
We all did. 2x squared. 2x squared plus.
Wait, is it a question?
You guys, there's more than
Hey.
one right answer. So,
I know.
I saw a few of you had identified B. Happy, pleased you guys did it so quickly, very good. But go ahead and check C and D. There's more than one. It does say select all that apply, and there's more than one that works. Who's got a question about how B works? So first I combine like terms, which there aren't like terms. So I end up just writing them as one function. This is f plus g of x. Then I do x equals 1 because this means put 1 in the x spot. And then following the order of operations, I end up with 3.
How many answers are
There's, I'm not gonna say.
Oh wow. Okay.
There's more
I
than
only
one.
got 1. I think I got it wrong.
There's more than one on each side.
Let me
Alright,
see.
now I'm gonna do C.
I got 5. I got 5. What the heck?
So I got negative x to the 4th, which there aren't any other 4th degree terms. The negative 5x and the 2x I can combine, and then the 7 is a constant. Alright, so the sum of f and g on letter C looks like this. And this is part of your answer for the work today. I'll want to see this. And now I'm going to plug x equals 1 into that sum.
Oh boy.
Oh. Yes. Yes.
Oh.
So clean. Let's see. I don't get it.
Alright, when I plug 1 into the sum of f and g for letter C, I have to really know my order of operations to execute this correctly. This is 1 to the 4th, the negative stays outside, making it negative 1. Minus 3 plus 7. Negative 4 plus 7 is 3. So C also works. So far, B and C are answers for this question. Let's try letter D.
What if D is the right answer? Okay. What'd you get for 16? What'd you get for D, Jen?
Alright, I got it combined like terms. I have an x squared and x squared, so that means I have 2x squared. I have 3x, and I have a positive 2 and a minus 1 for a constant, so I'll combine that. 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. So that's adding them together, combining their terms.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna put 1 into there.
You got this. No, you're like, I'm 5 foot.
So B and C both work. The answer is B and C.
I got it right. That's crazy. Or 5 plus 1. Why do we just and then I just yeah.
This is like a. I bet you're doing great. Like it. Yeah, that looks really good.
So it's okay.
Oh yeah,
It looks really good.
really good.
Oh yeah, for
Really
sure.
good.
That's
I like that.
top notch.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I hope you read 5.6. Like I said, here's a summary of kind of all that information. Now, it's a lot to write, and I think you know just about all of this. I think this is things that you already know. So it's about operations with functions. What I want you to do is exactly what we just did on A, B, and C. First, you perform the operation, whether it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. First, you perform the operation, and then you plug in for x, just like we just did. Adding is combining like terms. Done. We just did it. Subtracting, remember to subtract. You distribute -1 to the second function, and then combine like terms. Multiplication will take up the most of the space, because you have to distribute a whole bunch. But other than that, that one's not too tricky. This one, that's division, is where your new information's coming into play. And this one's the most important moving forward, the fraction. So it says f over g, and you do exactly like that. You write f over g, creating a fraction. If possible, you factor. After you factor, if possible, reduce. It's not always possible. This is what's brand new to you, identifying excluded values from a domain. And this is probably the most important part of this entire lesson. It's most applicable to higher math. So you have to identify anything that will make a denominator 0. So, and again, you write what you think you need. And I'm not going to do like examples with you. I'm just going to start the assignment with you. I'm going to do odds. Do odds in class, and you guys do evens on your own. That's so good. Thank you. So, the assignment is page 487, 5 through 14. I'm doing odds in class. Tomorrow I'm going to look for all of them, right? Odds and evens. So don't rush through it to get it done and then have wrong answers, right? Like what's most important is that you understand the process. So I'm gonna give you guys some time to work out those notes and write what you want, read it, think about it, and then I'm gonna start number 5. So you guys have some time. I don't want to rush you through
My strength. Plus.
Boy. Back to second
For you.
grade. Ew. What I just hear? What I just overhear?
You heard right. I mean, I was thinking that.
Oh yeah. Ew. Oh my god, they're still going. Who's talking? Oh, that's you. Yeah, why are they still talking about this?
Purely to make it all go. Don't act like they all go
That's different. You guys are dudes.
Do you kiss the homies goodnight?
No, you see, we don't do that. That's too far. That's too far. Okay.
Not at all.
What? Relationships 2023.
What happened in the comment?
What?
The teacher said nothing. I'm ready for number 5. Okay. So number 5, like John Alexander said, you have to do addition and subtraction. It's actually 4 problems if I really had to be honest. So first, when I add f and g again, that's combining like terms. So the only like terms there are to combine between f and g is the 2x and the x. I'll combine those to make 3x. Here we are.
It's wrong. I don't get it.
They're adding.
Why are we doing 2?
Yeah, I didn't take a picture of the directions. Do you see the directions?
Just state the domain of each.
Oh, you have to do both.
Both.
Fine, both.
Yes, that's to do both.
Oh my god.
So it's really like 4 problems.
Should reduce the number of problems.
So f added to g combined like terms, I get this, right? Then it says find f plus g of -2. So I take this sum and I plug in for x the -2. So I have -2 to the 4th minus 2 times -2 to the 3rd plus 3 times -2 minus 3. And from there, I really want you guys showing work. You can put all this into your calculator, hit enter, and get a number out. You can use that to check, but you need to show work as you go through. The first time I did it, I got 27. It was wrong. So be careful. Wrong as well.
It's -2. Oh, no, it's not mine.
Oh, my calculator. Anybody feel like they have it right? 23. 23. Good job, guys. -2. 23. Do you guys think I'm Jordan?
What?
Can you see 23?
Who's Jordan? Literally who's Jordan?
Michael Jordan.
What year were you born?
Me?
I was a
Yeah.
veteran. That's
2007? Like, leave me
Like, I
alone.
was actually born.
Oh,
I
you were
was
born in
in the
2006.
1900s. This is not okay.
I care about Michael Jordan.
You were literally born a year older than me, Jaden. I mean, like 2 months.
Alright, now subtraction is just more complicated. F minus G, so I write F. I put the minus sign. I write G. I have to distribute the minus sign to that entire second function. Minus x to the fourth. So negative times a negative will become plus 2x to the third minus x. So this is the difference between F and G. This is still number 5.
Wait, not that.
That's all number 5.
Yeah.
Subtract
So,
The answer's not even here.
what second function?
it's 23.
No, so 23 was the answer to adding them.
Oh my god, I'm about to-
We're doing it again and we're subtracting them. Yeah, you have to do both.
The direction.
Oh my.
That's not even all of them. You add
That's
And
just,
then I put the -2 in. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. And see if we get the right answer.
that's just number 5. We have to know.
That's the F function minus the G function.
We still have 8 more problems to go. Ew.
Oh my gosh, it's a normal bodily function.
That's not normal.
It's too long.
I was just.
Now that you had it enough.
What, Ava?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
What are you doing, girl? Oh my god. What did I do wrong this time? Like, literally, what did I do wrong?
Is it negative 37?
Yes, it is.
Wow, that's so crazy. W.
I got 37. I got that.
I didn't even get there yet.
Yeah,
I
me
know,
neither. I
sorry.
just started skipping this a little bit.
And then,
Kayla, you guys?
is, for the domain of each, is it just all real numbers?
The domain is all the numbers for everything in the whole section until you get to this.
Oh,
So it's kind of like, oh, what are the numbers? Why are we even talking about it? And then this something tricky comes into play. So I'll start bringing up domain when we get to this.
Oh,
So
we have to
I
wait
get
until
to
for like
that.
tomorrow.
I don't want to get to that.
Yeah, me either.
Is that tense?
That's literally 7 through
So
14.
on 5 and 6, you're adding and subtracting. All of the rest, you're multiplying and dividing.
How do you write the answer?
5 hours.
Do I write like F plus G times X equals 23?
But that's
But I don't say that word times in there. No, that's the fact that I say F plus G of X.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, that's actually not what I'm saying. It's
Never mind.
F plus G of -2.
Oh, okay.
It's the -2 that led us to the 23.
Yeah, good.
That does show a full comprehension.
Okay, number 6. Let's go.
That's for you going on.
Oh.
We're gonna go to 7.
Dang it.
Are you ready for 7?
We're already on the domain part, Jaden. Yeah. That's crazy.
Are you ready for 7?
no.
I'm ready.
What's this all it is then? Just like we do.
Next week. Boy.
There's 4 answers. This one, this one, and this one. All 4 of those things are required.
Are you okay?
Uh,
I would do 6
not
without
one
weight.
that corner. I'm just confused in general.
So we're doing F plus.
Did you read the directions?
Multiple times.
So we're gonna just combine my terms, and the answer to that is here. Then we're gonna actually plug in for x negative 2. And the answer for that is here.
All right, guys. Let's get to
Okay.
work.
And then I did it again, but I have minus.
Minus. Subtracted.
So I did the f function minus the g function.
So you only like make one function negative.
Yeah, just the one to the right.
Okay, so.
And that result was here. And then I plugged in negative 2. And that result was there.
Okay.
Even
I'm
though
kind
you're
of
not
eating right
doing
now.
it. I'm doing 7. Well, just confirm. Who else did 6?
I'm on my way.
Mila, what did you get for 6? Negative 4 and 76. No? Not yet? Anybody else do 6 in the room?
No, I'm doing it right now.
Negative 476.
What is it?
Girl.
What's the first one?
Just kidding.
Number 6?
Just
Yeah.
kidding.
Did you get negative 4?
Negative what? Yeah, that's what I got too.
For 6?
Yeah,
That's the padding. Yeah.
Good to know.
Alright, so on 7, the multiplication, they actually give you shorter functions, so it's not as long. Just remember when you multiply f times g, you have to distribute. So this is the product of f times g. And then it says to evaluate x equals 3. Oh my god.
Hey.
Oh.
I'm looking one.
Did you get your
Okay. What the heck?
What?
I don't get it.
No, so now we have to plug 3 in and do all the simplification so we get down to one number. Oh, I got that too, Miss Baldwin. No, so 5 and 6 is add and subtract. And then 7 through
Oh my gosh, I got
14
negative
multiply.
476.
Anybody else get 36? Who else got 36?
No
Or
one.
what?
We're number 7 already? Oh my god.
I did
Yeah,
not.
wait.
Maybe I did. I might have. If I did, then I'll give it to
We're
you.
doing 6.
This is
So boring.
What did you get, Miss Baldwin? I got 36. Yep.
Wow. Crazy. It's crazy. Hey. Stop being mean.
Okay, so how do we divide them now, Miss Baldwin?
Whoa.
So we're just gonna make it a fraction, put f over g. Now, if you could reduce, you have to. Or if you could factor, you have to. But this problem doesn't reduce or factor, so it's just f over g. If there was an x in all parts, I could reduce everything by x, or if they were all even, I could divide everything by 2, but there's nothing that I can reduce here, so I don't. This is just the answer, f function over g function.
Oh, wait, we didn't do number 6.
No? Oh, that's homework.
Did anybody do number 6 subtraction?
Who did it? I didn't. How do you watch number 7?
So, then it says, evaluate for 3. So I put a 3 in to the top and to the bottom. No problem. That's actually shorter than the addition and subtraction. But this is what's new and probably the most important part of the entire lesson is this green box. Yeah. So all of them have domain and range all real numbers besides this one. As soon as you put a variable in a denominator, you have to identify what x cannot be. And x can't be anything that would create an undefined fraction. You don't want denominators to be zeros. So remember talking about undefined in algebra 1? Like 3/0 is called undefined.
No.
Well, you probably haven't done it much because it's not allowed in math.
What the heck?
In engineering, if they're trying to figure out what values work and they got this, they would stop. They would not move forward with the project. Undefined is not allowed in math.
Wait, I remember that word. Never mind.
It's okay.
Undefined. Yeah. It's
Undefined line.
An undefined slope is an up and down line. Because there's no run, it's all rise. Anyway, so you have to say anything that would make it undefined. So here, if x was 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, the whole function would be ruined. It'd be wrecked. It wouldn't work. So we have to exclude from the domain 1. Because if you put a 1 in here, the function will not operate. It does not work. So for division only, you have to identify these excluded values. Well, if they had put any square roots in there, there would be more. But they didn't. So you have to think about like rules. Like, were there rules that are going on here? And yes, there's rules about fractions. The rule is you can't have 0 in the denominator. So wow,
That's so interesting.
the other ones don't have any rules.
Okay.
Wait, we have to do all these.
We have so much. We have 1, 2. Why don't we just do like 2?
All right, let's do number 9.
Why we gotta do like
Because there's 2 of each.
Wait, Miss Bowman.
So like, come on, we have to do 2 problems for each. So it's basically like 18 problems. I'm about done. I'm gonna quit. Oh, it's write the domain, right? Boy, excluded value. X. That's what the domain is.
Yeah.
It's gone.
Well, the domain was a weird thing.
You write it down?
I don't.
You actually can't multiply that.
Then what do you do? You don't even.
Oh my god.
So if it can't multiply,
Why not? Never say that again. Okay. This is so. Hey. No. Actually, don't. Actually, I don't have that on my phone. I took that.
Okay, but sure.
what'd you get, Miss Bowman?
Oh my god, I can't. I can't even just bring my phone to this work. Like, easier.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go.
For the
Oh, I didn't even do it yet.
Which one?
9. I've been doing 6.
Me too. Let me just switch it on. Alright. What's X? Negative 3.
So do we?
No, I got
So we just simplify it.
41.3.
Oh, I thought mine was for 6.
You did? Let me do it first. Don't tell me the answer. Why don't you get like the same thing basically? I got negative 496.
For the subtract.
Yeah.
I got negative 26.
How'd you get negative 26?
Because wait, let me see like the equation that you put. Because wait, positive we got negative 476, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I did the negative one distributed thing.
For the negative,
The way you said it so much.
I probably did this wrong. Wait, it'll be like a x to the fourth plus 3x to the third minus 2x squared minus 8.
What? How'd you get minus 8?
Because it's 0. Oh. Probably.
Wait, Kayla, did you do 6 for subtraction? Did you do subtraction on 6? Negative 10? Negative